Hi guys, my name is Amo Procedures. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve a simple binary search in Python. So here we are given a list of numbers. Value 2 is the number which is going to be inserted into the list of numbers we have been given. So here, my solution 1, I'm going to use the inbuilt-in append method. I'm going to sort it. So when we print out the list of numbers, this is how it's going to look like. So here when you critically look at the order, you find out that it has changed. So we are going to come up with another solution which is going to cover this. We are going to use our normal for loop statement to check whether the number given is less or greater. When we find out that it has passed the condition, we are going to insert the value in the index. Check here the output, you find out that our order has not changed, but we just inserted the right value in the right index of the list. I'll give you another bonus method using the bisect submode in Python. Bisect method uses two parameters, the list given and the number you want to bisect. So later we are going to insert the index with the appropriate value. So when I print out the output. So if this video is helpful, please click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for my upcoming videos.